Welcome back to MVP Auto Pro, your ultimate source for motorcycle news, reviews, and in-depth breakdowns of the latest two-wheeled machines. Today, we're exploring a bike that breaks all the rules, the 2025 Honda X-ADV 750. Part scooter, part adventure motorcycle, the X-ADV is a true hybrid, offering urban practicality, long-distance touring comfort, and light off-road capability in one package. For 2025, Honda has refined the formula with sharper performance, updated tech, and improved comfort. Design, adventure DNA meets urban style. The 2025 XADV 750 still stands out with its rugged adventure-inspired styling, tall stance, and aggressive bodywork. The angular LED headlights, muscular side panels, and high ground clearance give it a strong ADV personality, while the step-through frame and scooter practicality make it city-friendly. For 2025, Honda introduces new color options and premium paint finishes, including matte iridium gray, pearl glare white, and Grand Prix red. The adjustable windscreen is slightly wider and taller, improving wind protection on highways. The under-seat storage compartment is also more refined, with better lighting and more organized space. Engine and performance, parallel twin power. At the heart of the XADV is Honda's proven 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, producing around 58 horsepower and 69 newton-meters of torque. The engine is tuned for smooth, usable power, with strong low and mid-range torque perfect for both city traffic and open-road touring. The dual-clutch transmission, DCT, is a key feature, allowing riders to switch between fully automatic convenience and manual paddle shift control. For 2025, Honda has refined the DCT mapping for even smoother shifts, especially at low speeds. The XADV is capable of cruising comfortably at highway speeds while still being agile enough for urban environments. Handling and suspension, ready for mixed terrain. The XADV 750 is equipped with long travel suspension, including 41mm Showa upside-down forks and a rear monoshock with preload adjustment. This setup, along with 17-inch front and 15-inch rear wire spoke wheels, makes it capable of handling gravel roads, light trails, and broken tarmac. The wide handlebars give excellent leverage, while the upright seating position ensures comfort over long distances. Braking is handled by dual front discs and a single rear disc, backed by cornering ABS for extra safety in varied conditions. Technology and features, advanced and practical. The 2025 model is packed with smart tech. A full-color TFT display now features improved graphics and better visibility in direct sunlight. Honda smartphone voice control lets riders connect their phones for calls, messages, music, and navigation directly through the bike's controls. The bike also comes with riding modes, standard, sport, rain, gravel, and a customizable user mode, allowing riders to adapt throttle response, ABS, and traction control to their needs. Keyless ignition, a USB-C charging port, and full LED lighting round out the modern features list. Practicality, built for everyday adventure. The XADV 750 is not just about looks and performance, it's about real-world usability. The storage space can fit a full-face helmet, and the integrated luggage rack allows easy mounting of a top box. The 22.7-liter fuel tank combined with excellent fuel efficiency gives the bike a range of over 350 kilometers on a single fill-up. Whether you're commuting to work, heading out for a weekend road trip, or taking a scenic backroad detour, the XADV adapts effortlessly. Conclusion, the best of both worlds. The 2025 Honda XADV 750 remains one of the most unique motorcycles on the market, blending the practicality of a scooter with the versatility and presence of an adventure bike. It's for riders who want one machine that can do it all. City streets, highways, and even the occasional off-road trail. Outro, subscribe to MVP Auto Pro. Thanks for tuning in to MVP Auto Pro for our deep dive into the 2025 Honda XADV 750. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more reviews of the most exciting bikes in the world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, ride smart, ride safe, and keep exploring.